Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take off a Dodge Challenger bumper. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal kit, a socket wrench set, and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clear, well-lit area to work in, and always prioritize safety. Before you begin, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery to prevent any electrical issues during the process. This simple step is crucial for a smooth and safe removal. Now, let's start with the front bumper. Begin by removing the plastic push pins located along the top edge of the bumper, usually under the hood. Next, move to the wheel wells. You'll find several bolts, typically 7mm or 10mm, that secure the bumper to the fender liner. Unscrew these. Finally, carefully detach the fasteners holding the lower splash shield in place, often a mix of clips and small bolts. With all the fasteners removed, it's time to carefully detach the bumper cover. Gently pull the bumper away from the fender, working your way around the edges to release it from any remaining clips. Be mindful of any electrical connectors for fog lights, parking sensors, or other components. Disconnect these before fully pulling the bumper free. Have a soft blanket or cardboard ready on the ground to safely place the bumper once it's off, preventing scratches. Once the bumper is off, take a moment to inspect all components for any damage or wear, especially if you're replacing parts. Reinstallation is essentially the reverse of removal. Carefully align the bumper, reconnect all electrical harnesses, and then secure every bolt and clip. Double-check that everything is snug and properly seated before reconnecting your battery. For those who love to learn and read on the go, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.